pandemic year is taught us how to be intimate and have an intimate Holi this year. Even if it's going to be intimate Holi party, we have to plan on the Holi party starters. So here is charcuterie board fusion style by your Bakasur Mama Ritik. Charcuterie boards traditionally are a spread of meat, cheese, fruits and crackers. I have made a fusion charcuterie board which will suit our Indian taste buds. I have 4 simple and effortless recipes which can be cooked within 30 minutes and will show you how to assemble the charcuterie board. So let's get started. To begin with, I have spiral potato sticks. These days you can find them easily on any Mumbai chaat counter. So let's learn how to make them at home. As you can see, I have already made one spiral potato. Insert a satay stick inside the potato without breaking it. Place it onto your chopping board. With the help of your knife, make an incision at the top part of the potato and start rolling the potato till you reach the end. Make sure your knife touches the satay stick while chopping it. Keep rolling the potato while you are chopping it with your knife. Use the end part of your knife only. When you reach at the end, be careful of your fingers. Spread the potato on the stick. Insert your 2 fingers into the slice of the potato and spread the potato on the stick. Be gentle with the potato or else the potato might break. After you have spread, this is how you get the spiral stick. I have made 4 spiral potatoes, so I am going to transfer them on a baking tray. To keep it healthy, I am baking them. You can deep fry them or air fry them. It's upon your wish. I am going to spread some oil on top of my each spiral potato with the help of a brush. Then sprinkle a mix of chaat masala, garlic powder and chili powder on top. Be generous with these masalas as these are the only flavors we add to the potato. Once you are done sprinkling the powder, season with salt and bake them for 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. You can do the same with your deep fryer, or if you are frying them, deep fry them first and then add the garlic, chili and masala powders. After 20 minutes, your spiral potatoes will be ready. Plate them onto a wooden board and set them aside for decorating your charcuterie board. Moving on to our next dish, the hazelback potatoes Dabeli style. To make this hazelback potatoes, we need 4 large potatoes. Slice them in the center. Do not cut them off till the end or the base of the potato. Slice them well so that they are giving you a shape of a fan. Place your hazelback potatoes cut side up in a baking tray to bake. Make slices of your Amul butter and place those slices in between the cuts of your hazelback potato. Cover each slit with the butter and place them to bake. Bake your hazelback potatoes at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Once done, they will look like this. Now, place sliced cheese on these baked potatoes. Adjust the size of your sliced cheese according to the size of your potatoes. Bake them for another 10 minutes till the cheese melts. Place them on your serving board. Add tamarind chutney, green chili chutney and sweet dates chutney on top of each potato. Sprinkle some shaved peanuts on top of them. Garnish with coriander and pomegranates. And now it's ready to serve. Adjust the chutney according to your guest preference and set them aside to assemble with your charcuterie board. Our next dish is papad tacos with paneer filling. To begin with, keep a pan on heat. Place a papad on top. Roast it evenly with the help of a kitchen napkin. You can do this directly on the top of the stove, but I wanted to avoid the dark marks on the papad. Once the papad is cooked well, place it on the taco stand. Place it on top of the taco stand so that it takes the shape of a taco. If you do not have a taco stand, you can use a rolling pin or a balan to roll out papad and make tacos out of it. Similarly, roast your papads and place them on your taco stand and your tacos will be ready for the filling. For the filling, place the pan on heat, add oil or butter, Add ginger garlic paste. Saute it for a minute. Then add diced onions. Cook them till they are translucent. Once your onions are translucent, add bell peppers and paneer cubes to the mix. Saute the mixture for a minute. Add taco seasoning or taco sauce to this mixture. Saute till it's not soggy. It has to be dry since we are making a tacos filling. Fill the tacos evenly with the paneer filling. Add some of your taco sauce on each tacos. Add some mixed cheese on top. I'm using a cheese mix which you get in the market only for tacos. Garnish. You use to garnish the Hasselback potatoes, some mayonnaise or tartar sauce to go along with, and some salsa on the side. The charcuterie board is ready. This is a desi fusion version of charcuterie board. I hope I have inspired you enough to celebrate a lockdown intimate Holi with your loved ones. This is your Bakasur Mama Ritika wishing you all a very happy Holi. Stay safe, sanitize and subscribe to my channel. Bye.